I was able to see at the beginning. Now I can't because I'm shooting at 4K at 120. What am I to do? Switch over back to 4K 60? Hey! Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I could count to 30 seconds, and about 25 seconds, I see the red blinking light, 4K, 120 frames per second. So how long am I going to record when I hit the start and the camera doesn't go from quick capture with 4K 120? Nobody talks about 4K 120 with quick capture, trying to get the camera to go on. And it's just not usable, if you want to use in that scenario. And I do find it a little difficult getting this quick capture to go first thing in the morning. It is troublesome. I want to try to get it to work and then change over to 4K and see with 120 how long it's going to take to start. Man, it took like up to 30 seconds before that red light went on and off. I hope that makes some type of sense to you. I got immediate startup. So now what I'm going to do is stop my video. And I have immediate startup with 4K 120 versus 30 seconds. So what gives DJI? Did I just find a problem with the camera, a concern? And what I am going to do is head on home immediately because we need to show all the problems. Because let's get off the focus issue. It's no longer a problem. It's just the first set of cameras went out was a bad batch. Now everybody else is having a good camera. Let's get over it. Okay, I'm on 4K 60 now, and I got my 4K 120 footage I want to have some fun with and see if I can slow it down to what? About 4 times, 8 times to make it 4K 30, to make it 4K 24, and see what it looks like to you. But remember, when we use our editor and rendering, not all editors are going to show that, as well as YouTube, the correct rendering frames per second. I looked at my footage. It looks good. I'm happy with it. But let me show you what I was talking about earlier. I got quick capture up and running right now. It's going to start immediate. So when I hit the record button at 4K 120, you can see it immediately comes on, and that's a good thing. But we are not going to see the front screen. So let's shut it off. Let it go down, let it shut down entirely. Now, when I turn it on for the very first time, 1,000, 2, and we're recording. You saw the screen immediately and then disappeared to this screen. So would that mean, can we get live view? I'm sure we could. So now let me stop the recording. Let me pause it. Let me shut it down. I want to pull the battery for you. And I'm pulling the battery for the reason of, I want to get the camera back to its original state where quick capture needs to be enabled. If I do it in the back here with quick capture, look how long it's taking to come on and record. We see 2 seconds in recording, but we don't see any red bullet here yet. And I was giving a 30-second count, finally. Giving a 30-second count. And when I did that, I was actually recording. So keep in mind, that is a issue, a concern, a bug that Beijing now needs to correct in 4K 120 to get that red bullet going. So now if I turn my camera on the next time, I'm immediately recording. And there it is. So let me stop the recording, let it shut down, and we're good to go. So this camera, now and then, will, have its little firmware updates coming soon. You know what I mean. On that note, enjoy the video, and I hope you have fun with your 4K 120 slow motion.